Hi, I'm Lee from Toolbox ROK and I would like to introduce you to the ROK 3.6 volt screwdriver. When you purchase the machine, it comes in a blister pack which contains charger, 12 screwdriver tips and one extender. The screwdriver itself has a forward and reverse facility on it, which is operated by thumb and index finger. The screwdriver has 16 torque settings. When in low torque setting, when drilling soft materials like plasterboard, the machine will cut out. When the machine is on, it has a light facility underneath, so when drilling items like kitchen units where it's dark underneath, we can see where the screwdriver tip is going. It also has on top battery indicator with green, amber and red, with red being warning of a low battery. With this machine as well, we can press this button, turn the handle, and it becomes a pencil screwdriver, which will help when going into confined spaces. It's a quarter drive screwdriver, so there's no chuck. So it's simple, we pop the screwdriver tip in, and quick release, take the screwdriver adapter out. That's the 3.6 from ROK. Now let's see the machine in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.